Here I am again, my favorite place, the bathroom. And what is Joe going to talk to you about today? Well, hey, this sink's been giving me fits over the last few weeks. It's been draining slower and slower and slower, and it's been clogged up. But hey, I don't have very long hair. Look at this. Do you think it's from my hair? Well, maybe it's from when I shave and when I get hair down in there and it's all clogged up. But here, I'm gonna turn the water on here. Let's just do a little reconnaissance here. Good. Oh, look. You look real close. There was a couple bubbles there. Nothing's happening. It's draining really super slow. See, the pop-up valve is up. It's up all the way. I've got to do something about that. Now, am I a professional plumber? No. Are you a professional plumber? I'm sure you're not, or else you wouldn't be watching this video, would you? Now see, if you have a plugged up sink like that and it's going slow, it's going down all the way, generally down to the P-trap. So once that drains out, if you just have to wash your hands real quick or brush your teeth real quick, chances are it's not gonna come up, and you might be able to live with it for a couple months until it gets worse and worse and worse. So I figured it's time to do something about that. And what am I going to use? Here it is. Kaboom.